Hello, my name is Dylan. My YouTube channel is Series Your Bros, and today we're going to be doing Radians and Degrees. So I'm going to draw a circle really quick. And this is going to be from last video, what's called a unit circle. There we go. It's not the best circle, but it's good too. Okay, now I have, and so I'm gonna take a ruler. I'd say that's approximately the middle circle. So we're gonna draw a line. Okay, not the best bracket, but it's do. Now this is called the diameter. So this length is a diameter. Okay. Now that length is what's called the radius, from the middle of the circle to to the end circle. And now this entire length right here, from here all the way around the circle, is called the circumference. Okay? Now for any circle, the circumference divided by d will always, or the circumference always divided by the diameter will always equal pi, which pi, those of you who don't know, pi is a Greek letter, but in mathematical terms, pi is 3.141159, and it repeated and continued. Okay, and that equals pi. Now let's say we add the we multiply this by the diameter. So we'll put little d's. So these cross out. So what's left is the circumference equals pi of the pi diameter. And and what makes up the diameter? 2 of radius. To the radius. So, but this could also be C equals pi, and then we can replace the diameter with 2 radians, or 2 radius, 2r. And so circumference equals 2, because this is now 2 pi r. Okay? Now for the special case of the unit circle, which is ours, then the radius equals 1, and then the circumference equal to 2 pi. Okay, we drew a unit circle. And then the circumference is equal to 2. And we can replace pi with 3.141159. So then the circumference of the circle is approximately, so this isn't exact, but it's approximately 6.28. Okay, so there are two ways to measure angles: degrees and radians. So I'm gonna draw an angle really quick. This is gonna be a big angle. Like that, okay? So I could use the compass. I'm gonna just do it by hand. Even though, yeah, that's what happens when I draw circles by hand. And so, this is the arc. And basically, the arc size is the radian measure. And how we determine the arc size is if we split the circle into 360 parts. So, let's get a new page out, and we're going to make a table. So this is going to be degrees up here. Degrees, radians. Okay. And so, 360 equals 6.28 radian, which that equals 2 pi. Okay? Now, what do you think the degrees 180 is? Well, that's half, so it would be pi. Now, what about 90? It's half of 180. 90 is pi over 2. So it's half of pi. Now, here's a trickier question. What is this isn't as tricky. What's 45? It's pi of 40. It's pi over 4. Now, what about 30? Because half of 90 is 6. Half of 90 is for 45. And then, so 30, because 90 minus 45 is 45. So 30 would actually be pi of 6. Okay? Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next.